welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So this is the second video I filmed wearing the same clothes, so if I look the same from my last video, that is why. Or actually, I think this video might go first. But anyways, I feel like I haven't filmed in a long time because I've been super busy with college and with all these assignments, and I'm just like super stressed and I can't finish in time to do a video and to edit and all of that. So that's why you guys saw my project pan updates a little later, because I just didn't have time to edit. And I have also been going to the doctor, so like the little free time that I have, I just go to the doctors. I already went to the doctors like 4 times this past week, and I'm supposed to go to the doctors in 2 days and again in a week, and it's just a lot. So yeah, but anyways, I have a little bit of time today, so that's why I'm filming. So anyways, today I decided to do a palette bingo using my project pan palettes, like the palettes that I have in my project pans. Okay, so I have 6 palettes and project pans right now, but I'm not going to be using all 6 palettes. I'm only going to be getting 2 palettes. So let me show you guys what they are. So I have the Coca Cola and Morphe palette. I have the 90s Baby Cosmetics Arcade Classics. I have the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. I have the Coca Cola and the Face Shop palette. I have the Caliente Artist Couture palette. And lastly, I have the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette. So I'm going to be getting 2 random numbers from 1 to 6 because I do have 6 palettes right here. So if I get 1, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will see what 2 palettes I'll be using today. Okay, so I put 1 through 6 in the random number generator. So here we go. So I got 1 and 2. Okay, so I was expecting it to go further than 1 and 2, but that's okay. So I'm going to be using the Morphe Coca-Cola palette and the Arcade Classics palette. Okay, so this Coca-Cola palette, I got it last year, and this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I mean, it's pretty. Like, this whole row is pretty. This 3 shadows are pretty, and this shadow's pretty, this shadow's pretty, and this shadow's pretty. I don't really like the other ones because they're browns, and I don't really use browns. I mean, I like browns, but not too much. And I feel like I get browns all the time. Okay, in the Arcade Classics by 90s Baby Cosmetics, this is what it looks like. And here is the color story. It's completely different from the Coca-Cola palette. This one is very colorful, very pretty and vibrant. I'm going to be getting 3 random shades from each palette. Okay, so the Coca-Cola palette has 18 shades, so I'm going to be getting 3 random numbers. So 12, 14, 6. Okay, hopefully they're not all browns. Okay, so I got 12, and 12 is this one right here, and that one is called Add Life, and it's a pretty shimmer. Oh shit, I forgot I'm going to swatch it on this hand today. And then I got 14. 14 is this silver right here, and then 6 is of course the brown, and it's this one right there. And I'm swatching it on this side because I have swatches on this hand already, and I forgot to wash it off. Okay, so the Arcade Classics has 15 shades, so I'm going to put 1 through 15 in the random number generator. And here we go. 11, 14, 8. So I got 14 on both palettes. Okay, so 5, 10, and I got 11. 11 is called Time Crisis. This pretty yellow. And then 14 of course would be the brown, and that one is called Donkey Kong. 8 is this pretty purple, and that one is called Metal Slug. Whoa, look at that yellow. And here is the color story that I have to work with today. I feel like it's pretty neutral, but hopefully I could do something pretty with this. Okay, so I'm going to be priming my eyes with a CoverGirl Lid Lockup Primer, and I will be doing this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I already primed my eyes, and I did set it with a white shadow, so I am kind of ready to begin. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the Arcade Classics, and I'm going to begin with Donkey Kong, that beautiful brown. I'm going to be putting that one all over my crease. Okay, this brown is actually really nice. Okay, now I'm going into the brown from the Coca Cola palette, this one right here, and I'm going to blend out that dark brown with that shade. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it. Okay, that's looking nice. I'm boiling in here, you guys. Okay, now I'm going into Arcade Classics and I'm going into shade number 8, and that one is called Metal Slug, the purple. And I'm going to be putting that one like in my outer V and like towards the center of my eyelid. And then I'm going back into the brush that I used, the dark brown, the Donkey Kong shade, with no extra product. Okay, this purple, you do have to build it up a little bit, but it's like really pretty when you build it up. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to match, but I'm going to be putting this shimmer, the one from the Coca Cola palette, the one called Add Life, this one right here. I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid. I was actually thinking of putting this gray all over the lid, but I don't think it's going to look good. So let's just go with a yellow, the gold shimmer. Oh, and I am putting glitter primer, the NYX glitter glue. With that same brush, I'm going into that shade, and here we go. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. So far, I'm liking how this is looking. It looks really pretty. Now I'm going to apply glitter glue on the other eye as well. Okay, now for my inner corner, I'm going to be putting the yellow shade from the Arcade Classics palette, which is called Time Crisis. And it's this bright yellow. And let's see if it shows up. It's not as pigmented as the swatch, but you could see it. I am dragging it down my lower lash line just a little bit. Okay, this yellow is powdery, but at least it shows up. Oh, I really like how this is looking. Okay, now for my lower lash line, I'm going into the silver or gray, this one right there, from the Coca Cola palette. And I'm putting it all over my lower lash line, whatever is left of it. Okay, it's not the best color for my lower lash line, but that's the only place where I could put this gray. I feel like that color ruined my eye look. Okay, so I already put all of these colors. So now I'm going to go apply eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara and liquid lipstick. The mascara that I'm wearing on my top lashes, it is the LA Girl Jet Setter mascara. And for my bottom lashes, I am using the Ulta Beauty New Heights Lifting Mascara. And then the liner that I'm using on the top, it is the Isadora Glossy Eyeliner in 40 Chrome Black. And today I'm not wearing any eyeliner on my waterline. And for my lips, I am using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit and the shade Give Me Mocha. This one right here, it's really pretty, but these are really drying. So you do have to put a lot of chapstick or whatever you put to moisturize your lips. So anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it looks really pretty, like the top part of my eye and my inner corner. I just don't like the gray in my lower lash line. I feel like it doesn't really match that much, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I love how the gold shimmer looks with a purple, and the brown doesn't look bad at all. And my crease, I think it looks really pretty. And my inner corner, I really like that it's really bright and yellow. And I was actually thinking of putting the gold shimmer there as well, but I feel like it looks pretty like this. What do you guys think? So anyways, this was the palette bingo using these two eyeshadow palettes. I really enjoyed using these two together. I feel like it was a perfect pair. At first I didn't think they were going to work well together, but they did, and I'm really happy that I got use out of these two palettes. So anyways, thank you so much to everyone that has been subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate the support, and I will be doing more videos once this semester is over. I only have 3 more weeks left, and then I will have 2 months of vacations since I'm not going to be getting any summer classes. So yeah. So if you guys want to see a certain type of video, just let me know in the comments below so I could see it, and I will try to make it as soon as possible. So yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.